The Karrimor SF Sabre 30 is a fantastic multi-purpose 30 litre day pack. Let me show you why. The Karrimor SF Sabre 30 is a lightweight and very effective 30 litre day pack. In my usual style, let's take a look from the outside in. The Sabre 30 is built using a 600 denier fabric with excellent tear and abrasion resistance. And that fabric is finished with a durable water repellent coating. That results in a lightweight and robust pack with a good level of weatherproofing. All stitching uses top quality rot-proof thread. And Karrimor SF use YKK zips, well known for their reliability and longevity. The cool mesh back system improves airflow between your back and the pack, making it comfortable to wear this pack even on hot days. The well-padded S-shaped shoulder harnesses are ergonomically designed to provide comfort even when the pack is fully loaded. The sternum strap and waist belt assist with load stability. And fastening the sternum strap stops the shoulder harnesses slipping out as you move. In other words, fastening the sternum strap prevents that kind of hiker's shrug that you see so many people doing that haven't got a sternum strap or don't bother to fasten it. At the top of the pack is this useful grab handle. Great for when you're not wearing the pack, but you still need to move it. So now let's talk about storage. On the top of the pack is a useful shock cord system. As well as being a brilliant multi-purpose pack, some of the features mean that the Sabre 30 would lend itself well to activities like cross-country skiing, downhill skiing and ski mountaineering. It features twin ice axe loops, and on each side there are ski guides which could also be used for carrying other items. The compression straps on each side can be used to help secure skis or whatever other longer item you're carrying, or to compress the contents of your pack. I have used the ski guides when I've been away, but here in the UK I normally carry things like my camera tripod, my umbrella or my travel fishing rod. On each side of the pack are these useful stuff pockets. In the top flap there's a surprisingly large zip compartment, and within that compartment is this little clip that you can use to attach keys or whatever. This drawstring baffle secures and protects your pack contents. The inside is just one main compartment. Against the back panel is this elasticated pouch which runs the full depth of the pack. That panel was originally intended for carrying a hydration bladder, but I tend not to use them, so I use it for other things. If you want to find out exactly what I carry in that pouch, then take a look at the video. I'll drop a link below. The Predator 30 gear loadout. If you're looking for a functional, rugged, robust day pack that's built to the same exacting standards that operational military around the globe demand, this could be the pack for you. I'll drop a link in the description to the Sabre 30 on the Karrimor SF website, but please, if you've got any questions at all, don't hesitate to drop me a line. Thanks for watching the video. Be good, be brilliant, be awesome, and remember, if I can help you in any way, please do get in touch. Let's have a conversation and make good stuff happen.